Hello English lover, hello guys, welcome to my video exactly in our English course YouTube channel, if in YouTube. Okay, now I'm standing in front of you all. I wanna give you some knowledge, information for you if you wanna learn English language. Here I am. But before going to my points, I wanna introduce myself to you. My name Bumi. I'm from Tegal. I'm native Tegal. I'm student of our English course, Department Homeschooling, and the third level. And this is the first my video. And now I wanna give you knowledge about what's that? Consonant in pronunciation. Do you know about consonant? What do you mean consonant? Actually, consonant is the simple thing, and a lot of people forget it about the lesson of consonant. But I want to give you this MATERI because sometimes can be benefit. So consonant is, what do you mean consonant? Consonant is alphabet without authentic sound. Do you know authentic sound? No. Authentic sound is such as vowel, yeah, such as A, E, U, and each other, and this is vowel. But in consonant there is no authentic sound such as K. If I want to give you example, such as, do you hear my sound? P, T, T. You can write it? Can you write it? Absolutely no. It's impossible. There is no authentic sound. And it's the meaning and consonant. And in consonant there are two types. The first is voiceless and the second is voiced. So what is the difference between the both? The voiceless. Okay, we learn about voiceless first. And you know about the alphabet T, K, and P, right? And the voiceless, there's no vibration in your throat. You can take it. If you want to say T, K, and P, and try to take in your throat, in your neck. Touch with slowly to force your neck. You can kill yourself. Okay, just touch slowly, and try to repeat after me. You feel the vibration? Absolutely no, right? This is the name of voiceless. So how about voiced? Voiced is conversely from voiceless, such as B, D, G, B, D, G, and try to touch your neck, and feel the vibration. B, D, G. What you feel now? What you feel? You try it? Have you tried? Great. Well, okay, repeat again. P, D, G. There is vibration, right? This is the name of voiced. This is about consonant, and you know what the benefit of consonant? I forgot it. You can use this, and you can use the manner to check what the alphabet consonant or the voiceless or voice in other alphabet. I just give you examples of our alphabet, and you can check it in other alphabet. Now, the benefit of consonant, you can use this one in the next lesson about ed ending and ascending. But because I don't have a lot of time, just up to here, that's it. I explained about consonant, and don't you forget about our English course in English Village, and please subscribe this video because you can get a lot of information, a lot of lesson about English language. And if you are interested about this course in PERIODE English language, please visit the website here. Editor, please give the subtitle. And The last sentence, I just want to say, everything is easy when we are crazy, but nothing is easy when we are lazy. Okay, I'm Bumi. Back to you. Bye bye.